Deep in the heart of Pasadena, California, is the Rose Bowl Stadium, world famous. Join us as we give you a very unique view. Since its opening in October 1922, it has hosted numerous significant events, including the annual Rose Bowl game. Since November 29, 2017, this statue of Jackie Robinson, in his football uniform wearing the number 55 he donned while playing for Pasadena Junior College, has stood here. Since we happen to be so close to Pasadena, we thought we would just drive over to the Rose Bowl. So here we are. And what's really interesting is that there seems to be a film crew filming something over there. You can take a stadium tour, and you can go to the Rose Bowl Flea Market, neither of which I have done. But I hope to correct that someday, especially attending a game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. This stadium has been the home of the annual Rose Bowl game since 1923. And since 1982, the UCLA Bruins have played their home games at the Rose Bowl Stadium. She has also hosted 5 Super Bowl games: 1977, 1980, 1983, 1987, and 1993. But we're not done yet. During the 1994 FIFA World Cup, the Rose Bowl hosted 8 matches, including the final. And last but not least, the stadium hosted the gold medal soccer match during the 1984 Summer Olympics. Would you like to know how many seats it holds? Well, when it opened up in 1922, it could accommodate approximately 57,000 spectators. Expansions made it possible to reach its peak capacity at 104 and 91 spectators between 1972 and 1997. As of today, the seating capacity is approximately 91,136. Thanks so much for joining us on this aerial view of the beautiful Rose Bowl Stadium. Check back with us next week. We always have something new just waiting for you.